What up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? How you guys doing? Busy right now doing a assembly of this trimmer. That's right. Today we're gonna be doing a review on this trimmer. This from Skill. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just getting this ready to do the lawn here. I guess, you know, like you guys know about my travel trailer. This is the first time I doing travel trailing outside of the state. So I guess over here you have to do your own lawn. So that's why I bought me my own trimmer right here. You know, stuff. I want to say happy 4th of July for everybody. I hope you guys doing your grill and all that. You know, happy 4th of July for all my sexy welding people out there. Like the title said, welding is banned here in North Dakota. That's right. And it's not like nobody's welding or anything. It's just that I used to weld here in the park, you know, practice or whatnot. And now because they haven't been raining, everything's dry here. So I guess last year there was a bunch of wildfire, guys. So they don't want fireworks, they don't want welding, they don't want charcoal fires or anything that can cause a fire. So the landlord gave me this because she saw me welding and she's like, hey, you're gonna get fined, and somebody's gonna call the sheriff, you're gonna get fined. I was like, damn, you know, I was like, fuck. So here I am now welding, guys. I don't have a shop, I don't have a garage, because if you wanna be welding while this band is going on, you have to weld inside, you know, in a shop or your garage. You know, it just can't be outside where there's a bunch of grass like over here. We're surrounded by dry grass, so pretty much, you know, sparks from welding or welding could cause a fire. And the fine is like $2,000, so Captain Manny doesn't want to get charged for, you know, welding. So I guess Captain Manny is gonna be doing landscaping now, and I'll be doing reviews on landscaping tools like this one. Just kidding. No, guys, I mean, I'll try to do welding videos as soon as everything's okay, or as soon as I get a weld test or something. I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, it is what it is. I just want to make this video for you guys because I'm gonna probably be out for a couple weeks, not doing welding videos, because, you know, I have my rig and everything. I even have some pipe lined up to do some bevels, but, you know, I don't want to get fined. But other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. It's a quick video. It's Captain Manny now be able to weld because there's a ban on welding. That's right. So if you guys want to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And other than that, guys, that's it. Stay safe, keep welding if you can, because obviously I can't because there's a ban. But if you're in a shop or you're at welding school, keep welding. See you next time. God bless and happy 4th of July.